Are you looking for an unfair advantage for your executive career and your organization? Hi, I'm Trip Babbitt, and I developed this channel for veteran, new, and aspiring executives. For veteran executives, you're going to get fresh thinking and ideas on improving your organization. You'll also get ways to bring your team together and identify priorities. New executives get ways to bring value immediately to your new position or company. For aspiring executives, you're going to learn executive skills to fill the next leadership opening in your current company or another organization. You won't find this education at universities, and it will take much less investment than the cost of an MBA. And as I've learned by conducting surveys for universities and their alumni, graduates complain they can't easily apply what they are taught. This channel will give you advice only requiring your time. If you decide that you want to get more of our education, the investment is less than 1% of an MBA. Importantly, all our education gives you skills you can apply to your organization, not some case study on Apple or theories having nothing to do with your company. So subscribing to this channel will promote different thinking. Subscribe now, and if we don't live up to your expectations, please say so in the comments of any of the videos that we have out there.